Society raises women to be in competition. You have to be the prettiest, the smartest, the fairest, the funniest, the whateverest, or the woman next to you is gonna beat you. Women are the threat for your job, a potential husband, or whatever other arbitrary milestones we've been given to quote-unquote win at womanhood. Division, that's been the strategy. But guess what? It's game over for the patriarchy, because Ladki Power is the new movement. We women are uniting, joining forces. We are empowering each other, uplifting all the ladies around us because we know we are stronger together. I've always sought out the comfort in the company of women, whether it was accompanying my Ammachic on her daily gossip walks with her friends, eavesdropping on my mom while she chatted with her sister, or stationing myself with all the aunties at family parties as they swapped compliments and cooking secrets. Who I am is an amalgamation of all these wonderful women I've been blessed to be surrounded by. Ladki Power isn't just a movement, it's my superpower. Till next time, cheers.